Today we are making restaurant-style chicken ginger karahi with soft, fluffy, buttery naan.
Cook chicken in rich, buttery tomato gravy until juicy and flavorful. Add aromatic spices and fresh ginger for authentic restaurant-style flavor.
Prepare soft naan dough using yeast and yogurt for fluffy texture. Cook naan until fluffy and brush with lots of melted butter.
Simmer until rich, spicy, and perfectly coated with buttery ginger flavor.
Today we are making restaurant-style chicken ginger karahi with soft, fluffy, buttery naan.
Simmer until rich, spicy, and perfectly coated with buttery ginger flavor.